Wait, all about, I know there's a parrot in it. I didn't know it was about the parrot.
It's called Old Maid in the Garret, but if you listen closely, you realize it's about parrots.
Right, how can you show me?
I have often heard it said by my father and my mother that going to a wedding is the making of another. Here's the pieces and I'll go without a bidding. Kind Providence, won't you send me to a wedding? And it's so yummy. How will it be if I diamond notes in the Garret? Now there's my sister Jean. She's not handsome or good looking, scarcely petite, and the fella she was courting. Now she's 24, she's a son and a daughter. This year am I at 44, and I've never had an offer, and it's so dear me. How will it be if I diamond notes in the Garret? I can cook and I can sew, I can keep the house right tidy, rise up in the morning and get the breakfast ready. 'Cause nothing in this world will make my heart so cheery as a wee fat man to call me his own dearie, and it's so dear me. How will it be if I diamond notes in the Garret? Oh, come dance and come towns and come tinkle or come sailor, come fiddle, come dance and come plowman or come sailor, come rich and come poor and come fool, come witty, come any man at all, won't you marry out to pity, and it's oh dear me. How will it be if I diamond notes in the Garret? Now I'm away at home 'cause there's nobody reading food and he's sleeping. I'm away at home in my own wee big cabin. If I can't find a man, then I'll surely get a parrot, and it's so dear me. How will it be if I diamond notes in the Garret? And it's so dear me. How will it be if I diamond notes in the Garret?
Thank you very much.